Hey guys, it's your girl Tineké Iman, that's Tineke. Don't forget the word dash Iman, and I am back with another video.
They say I'm too pretty to be spitting 16. I should be on the screen, posing for Maybelline. Or be a baby fat girl, kidding on my jean. Hood star, broad, black Barbie doll. Pardon me if the cockiness bothers me, y'all. I'm just... Carry on.
Look at me being all consistent and shit. So in today's video, I'm going to do a kind of a lookalike video. So if you remember a while back, I did a Megan Thee Stallion look. So this time I'm going to do an Ari look. I'm going to do her pictures up here. So she's known on IG and Instagram. So yeah, I've been told before that I look like her in certain pictures or certain profiles. I see it, but I don't really see it. But anyway, we're gonna do her makeup. So let's go. For my primer, I'm going to use my Milk Makeup primer, my Hydro Grip. Put it on. Ari's looks are kind of, they're very bright in the center and then bronzed. But it's a very bright look, brighter than what I normally do. So that's what I thought, let me give it a try. And she also does her eyebrows much lighter than I usually do mine. My eyebrows are quite, I guess, dark compared to hers. And I'm also going to use my Fasali Skin Tone Blur. So this is a little primer, a droplet primer, which is to blur all your blemishes. So let's see how it works. Now what I also wanted to try, I like doing 2-in-1s, was people are highlighting underneath their makeup first and then putting their foundation on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do my brows first. So for brows, I'm going to use the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in the colour Chocolate. Let me get a picture up so I can have look at it on my phone. It would help. She does quite a high arch. I don't know if I'm going to get that, but we'll see. Yeah, her arch is really high. I need to brush my hairs up because of how that arch is. Yeah, they kind of go down, like they go like this. So I'm going to bring them down a little bit. Mine are a bit thicker because my brows are just naturally thicker than hers, but we're going to conceal them just so I can get the proper shape. I'm actually going to conceal them with foundation instead. This one looks really nice. This one looks better. There's always one side that's been an actor. This one looks so much better than this one. I actually really like this brow. So I've been doing my brows, and then next I'm gonna start with my highlighting underneath my foundation. I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath concealer. She's really bright in the middle, so I'm gonna go over this. Once I put my foundation on, I'm going to go over it with another one. So I'm going to use the LA Girl in Toast because she's quite bronze. And again, it's going to be darker because I'm going to put foundation on the top. It's not as dark as I thought. And then around my edges. And then she's also her nose is snatched. So we put some on our nose. And then I've got to put foundation in between and on top. And I got a mini one to do my nose. Her nose is so small. You snatched that nose, honey. Right, now I'm going to add some foundation. Now I'm going to highlight again with a lighter concealer. So I'm going to use my one from Fenty. This is $3.50 because, like I said, she is super bright and it really goes up to here, like there. And she's also, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to go back to my Pat McGrath one because she's also quite bright here. And then I'm going to look at the picture again, another picture. I've got like 4 different reference pictures. No, she doesn't really contour her chin. Right, okay, we're going to blend all that out. Yeah, this is literally the brightness she is. So I'm gonna keep blending this out and I'll be back. So I'm just going to use my old beauty blender, which has foundation on it, just to tone down the edges. Like that. And then I'm gonna use my middle one to blend out my nose. And then I'm just going to do my contour, my nose contour, just again a little bit because I kind of blended too much. And now we need to set all of this. So I've just used, this is Iman Cosmetics face powder just to bronze up my sides of my face. So just to keep, because she's not like contoured, like dark contour. It's more like a brownie, like beigey bronze. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, I know what I'm doing. So let me look at this picture again. There's just a little bit of blush on in one of them. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put, she doesn't really have much on the eyeshadow, so I'm actually going to do my eyeshadow. So I'm going to use it's my Ray Ray palette, and she kind of just has like a flush of one colour. And this one I'm looking, it's pink. I'm going to do like this angel colour. This colour here is angel. And just give the lid some colour. Just like that. It looks so much more pigmented in the camera than it does in my mirror. And then I'm just going to put my lashes on. I can't even shut this. So I was searching my hair shop, beauty supply shop for lashes, and I actually found some in Superdrug. So these are Tatty lashes. She's got individuals on, but this is, I feel like, the closest ones to what she has. So I'm gonna put them on. So I have my lashes on, they're really big. And next I'm gonna bronze up my cheeks a little bit more, but I'm going to use Ego here. Just add a little shine to the sides, and then next, so that I can see, use my face brush just to mattify a little bit. So if you ever feel like you put too much, just go back in with your face brush. There we go. And then next, she kind of has a little bit of highlight on her nose. So I'm going to use it's my Ray Ray palette. Again, I'm going to quickly look at their one. This is French Toast, and she has it like here. And then like here. So kind of like that, just to accentuate her snatch nose, I guess. So for the lips, I'm going to start with a brown lip liner to make my lips big, and then overline this section. And then I'm going to put a lipstick. So this is my Nicki Minaj lipstick from MAC. It's called The Pink Print. And congratulations, sis, for your baby boy. So we'll put that in the middle, and then we're going to put like a nude on top. So this is from Black China Lashed. I think this is nude or slightly too pinky. She's a bit more nude than this, so I'm going to find a nude one. So I'm going to use my NYX, what is it called? NYX Lingerie. Make it a bit more nude than it was pinky. And then she's very glossy, so I'm just going to put clear gloss on top. And give me a sec. I'm going to spray it all together and we'll be back. So this is the finished look. Trying to be, I guess, my twin. Not really, but Ari the Dawn, the real Kyle's sister. I hope you enjoyed it. I look like a Barbie doll, like an Instagram model, you know, period. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and next video will be right there, and you know, subscribe right there. Peace.
It's not an icy girl year, it's an icy girl decade. You feel me? I know that's right, and never ever motherfucking wrong. Don't play with it, stay with it, little mama.